Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Instagram affiliate links using Creator Tools detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Instagram affiliate links using Creator Tools, start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner to access your profile. On your profile, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap them. From the menu that appears, select Settings towards the bottom. In the Settings menu, choose Account to access various account options. Scroll down and select Creator to switch to the Creator account settings. If you haven't already converted your account to a Creator account, follow the prompts to do so. Once in the Creator settings, find the Affiliate option and tap on it. Follow the prompts to set up affiliate tools, which may include linking a shop or adding payment information. After setting up your affiliate account, you can start creating posts with affiliate links. To do this, go to your feed and tap the plus icon to create a new post. Select your photo or video, then tap Next to proceed to the editing screen. In the editing screen, you'll see an option labeled Add Affiliate Product. Tap on this option to browse available affiliate products you can promote. Choose the product you want to promote and complete any additional prompts necessary. Once your affiliate link is added, continue editing your post as desired. After your post is ready, tap Share to publish it with the affiliate link active. You can track the performance of your affiliate links through the Insights section of your profile. That's how you enable Instagram affiliate links using Creator Tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.